How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of tonsil stones, step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So to get rid of tonsil stones, what a lot of people will do is they'll stick their finger inside the throat, trying to dislodge the tonsil stones. This is a bad idea because most of the times you don't actually get it out and you actually push the tonsil stones farther in the throat. So I never recommend doing that. The best thing that I recommend to do, you guys, is to gargle with salt water. It is by far the best thing you can do. All you do is get 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 cup of water, just warm water, not hot water, just warm water, and mix it together and then gargle like this and then spit it out. Do that until all the water is gone. You only have to gargle for like 5-10 seconds, spit it out, and then do it again. This is the best way of getting rid of tonsil stones. It works really, really well, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.